everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. The beauty community has gone crazy for soft glam makeup look, so I am here to show you how to achieve that using Marykay products. I've already done my base, my foundation is already on, my brows are done, so we're just going to jump into the eyes. If this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button, okay? Hit the button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to use is your concealer. That's what I like to use to prime my eyes. It's absolutely fine to use a Marykay eye primer, but I love using my concealer, and I always use the Marykay Perfecting Concealer in light bronze. And the reason I like doing this is just because it gives me like an even canvas to work with. Everything becomes like one skin tone. So that's why I like to do that. Okay guys, so this is my palette that I'm going to be working from today, and you can see it's a lot of neutrals and mattes. So we're just going to play with it and have fun with the look. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Cinnabar. Cinnabar is a nice matte brown shade, and I'm just going to pack Cinnabar in my crease before I blend. So the brush I'm using is the large ultimate crease brush by Lori Hogg. You guys know I love her brushes. Now we're just blending the edges to soften it out. So next up, I'm going to go in with Sandcastle. This is a matte shade. So I'm going to go back and just apply a tad bit of concealer, okay? Just to help that shade pop. Because remember, our crease color is pretty dark, so it needs help. So let's go back and pop Sandcastle, which is a nice matte color on the lids. So I'm taking a smaller, fluffier brush, picking up Sandcastle, and I'm just kind of using that actually to blend the edges, just to kind of soften the lines. I'm going to go back with a tad bit of Mahogany. I'm just going to deepen the crease a little bit. So next I'm going to use the MK Deep Brown Eyeliner, which is, a pencil. Because I'm trying to keep it subtle. Okay, I don't want to go with liquid. But I'm going to actually go and just dip my brush into Hot Fudge and just kind of press that into the pencil. So next I'm going to move on to my face now and just highlight, and then we're going to finish up the eyes. So I set my concealer down, and now I'm going to contour my face using our Marykay Cocoa Contour Powder, and I'm just going to use that to bring extra warmth and sculpting to my face. I love our cheek brush because it has angles which are great for applying your contour powder, and of course is great for your blush. So now guys, I'm going to pop some color under my eyes. So we're just going to use Cinnabar and just apply that right there. Okay. Alright you guys, so I popped on my lashes. So next I'm going to go with my blush. So for my blush, I'm going to be applying Golden Copper to my cheeks. And just see. Good. There we go. Golden Copper is a very beautiful shade for brown skin. If you haven't tried it, you definitely want to try it. Just applying that on the high points of my cheeks right there to give us some color. Golden copper isn't quite a matte. It does sort of have a little shimmer in it, but I like it. So next I'm going to line my lips with dark chocolate lip liner. You guys know I rave about this color so much. It's my favorite pencil, and it is what I use on my eyebrows. So today, like I said, we're doing more of a soft glam. So I'm going to do like a nude lip, which is something I don't usually do on my channel. I usually wear color because I love color. I love reds. But for my lip now, I'm going to apply the Gel Smart Matte Lipstick in Rich Truffle. It's a perfect nude on dark skin. Okay, if you're looking for a nude lipstick, get Rich Truffle. If you are lighter, then I would say Bashful You. Let me see if I can take this light down a little bit. There, is that better? So you guys can see the color. Perfect nude, perfect nude. I really love this lippy. Now I'm going to use Bashful You. Okay, I'm going to use that in the inner part of my lips. There. So that is it, you guys. This is our soft glam makeup look using all Marykay products. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I try to keep it as soft and as natural as possible because I have had a few people who have commented asking me if I have like a natural makeup tutorial look. So here it is, okay? I don't know if it gets any more natural than this, okay? We have a nude lip. We got a very nude, you know, fleshy tone colors. Really, really, really takes me back to, you know, is it 90s or 2000s, you know? But, you know, soft glam look is all the rage right now, all over social media. A lot of people are doing soft glam right now. So I thought I'll do that using Marykay products, showing you that, you know, you can use our products to achieve a soft glam look. And for the lippy, you know, if you don't want to do a complete nude like this, you can go for a more pinky nude or, you know, mauve nude or whatever is comfortable for you. This is my go-to nude. Like if I wanted to wear like a nude lip for the day, Rich Truffle is my girl, as well as Bashful You. I love those two colors combined together. I always use Rich Truffle all over and then use Bashful You in the inner corner just to kind of give me like a ombre highlight kind of thing. And, you know, I always love using dark chocolate to line my lips. For a nude lippy, you kind of want to give your lips some definition. But if you're more comfortable not lining, you don't need to do that. So yeah, this is our look that we came up with today. Very simple. I think it's very easy to do. So you can achieve a nice look using all matte colors. Okay, on the eyes today is all mattes, no shimmers. I kept it very basic, very simple, not too extra. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching today. If you have any more suggestions as far as what kind of looks you'd like to see on my channel, please leave the comments down below. I look forward to reading it. As always, thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.